Alright, welcome to the video. My name is Jeremy Krieger. I wanted to do this quick little video just to invite you to come on over to my new portal. It's totally brand new in the making, so bear with me and all that, but I think it's going to be kind of cool. It's going to maybe organically grow into multiple different things, but if you go to portal.jeremykrieger.com/login. You don't even have to do that, actually. So portal, PORTAL .Jeremy, JEREMY, Krieger, CREAGER.com. It'll take you to this login page where you can first sign up, create an account, and then you'll log in. And I think pretty much or it'll remember your login, I think, if you allow it to, and then also the login with your Gmail account as well option. So once you get to here, create the account and then log in. And this is kind of what I'm doing is we're able to have communities in here and different channels on the community. So this particular community group is the UCC study group, okay? And then channels, we have all the different articles, right? So we're gonna try that for now. Totally, don't have any content in all these really. Have a tiny bit into Article 1, but really just getting started, more like an introduction. And then when we're on here, so we have the link to the Law Cornell UCC. Same with this is UCC 1. For the Article 1. And then, I just wanted to kind of go over basically this link right here, which is the Uniform Commercial Code locator. Let's see. Hold on, I think it's this one, actually. There we go. Uniform Commercial Code. And then we could read this, I guess. So, copyright 1978, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 94, 95, 98, 01, 04, 2010, 11, and 12 by the American Law Institute and the National Conference of Commissioners on Uniform State Laws. Reproduced, published, and distributed with the permission of the permanent, I don't know how to pronounce that word, editorial board for the Uniform Commercial Code for the limited purposes of study, teaching, and academic research, which is what we're doing. All right, and then our collection aims to show each section of the UCC in the version which is most widely adopted by states. I like how it's lowercase, actually. That's interesting. Lowercase states. That means we will not always display the most current version if that version has not achieved archived widespread adoption among American legislatures. Okay. All right. Due to license restrictions, this online version of the UCC does not include the official comments. Okay. And then we also offer the UCC as enacted by a particular state and proposed reversions to articles. A particular state. That's interesting. That might be what this one is. I think, but maybe not. Let's see. Could be, though. Either way. All right. So then we go into UCC Article 1, General Provisions. So these are all the articles, obviously, right? So this is what we're going to dive into. And then that's the intent anyways. And general provisions, 2001, Article 2, sales, 2002, Article 2A, which be leases, 2002. Article 3 is negotiable instruments. This one we've researched a little bit. And also Brandon Joe Williams is really heavily into this stuff. So he's got a lot of good stuff over on his website. Article 4 is bank deposits and collections. Article 4A is funds transfers, 2012. Article 5 is letters of credit, 1995. And then we have repealer of UCC Article 6, bulk transfers, and revised UCC Article 6, bulk sales, 1989. Interesting. Article 7 is documents of title, 2003. Article 8, investment securities, 1994. And Article 9, secured transactions, 2010. And then you have older versions, and then you start on Article 1. So there's all that. I thought maybe we'd do something. Hold on real quick. All right, let's go over here. All right, we're going to just paste in pretty much everything we just read. And let me think for a minute and ask it some stuff. All right, so I put some stuff into ChatGPT, and let's just read it and see what it comes up with. To effectively understand the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, and teach it within a community study group, it's crucial to start with a foundational understanding of its structure and purpose. The UCC is a comprehensive set of regulations that governs all commercial transactions in the United States, intended to harmonize the law of sales and other commercial transactions across U.S. states. I feel like it may be called something else, but I think it's global as well. All right, breaking down the UCC overview and scope. Begin with an introduction. No, I just want you to tell me stuff. Let's see. Such as sales of goods, leases, and negotiable instruments, bank deposits, funds, transfers, letters of credit, bulk transfers, warehouse receipts, bills of lading, and investment securities. These are all good stuff, actually. All right, article by article approach. Since the UCC is divided into various articles, each dealing with different aspects of commerce. A good approach is to study each article individually. Agreed. That's how we have it. Start with Article 1, General Provisions, as it provides definitions and general principles applicable throughout the UCC. Oh, good to know. So yes, we might as well start with 1. Definitions and, although we're free to bounce around. Definitions and usage. Definitions in the UCC can vary by the context within each article. It's important to note that a definition applicable in one article might not apply in the same way in another. Always refer to the specific article for precise definitions relevant to that context. Key principles of the UCC. Uniformity and consistency. The aim is to provide uniformity across state laws governing commercial transactions. Flexibility. The UCC allows for flexibility and accommodate the needs of the changing commercial environment. Good faith requirement. UCC emphasizes the importance of good faith in all dealings. Well, that's good. We like honor. Definitions in the UCC. For the definitions you're interested in, Let's focus on finding relevant ones in the UCC. Note that not all the terms might be explicitly defined in the UCC. That's okay. I kind of was guessing that. And their interpretations can depend on context, specific usage within different articles. Good to know. United States and United States of America. Typically, these terms refer to federal jurisdictions, but may not be specifically defined in the UCC. Well, that one's not, but this one is. That one may not be, anyways, in the UCC, but this one is. How did I word that? Yeah, I did two separate ones. They're combining. Okay, where are we at? Let's see. Definitions. Here we go. Person. UCC section 1 20127 defines person as an individual, corporation, business, trust, estate, trust, partnership, limited liability company, association, joint venture, governmental subdivision, legacy or instrumentality, or any other legal or commercial entity. So any other commercial entity, legal or commercial other entity. The only thing that I think tricks people is this word right here. I think that people think, besides this word, corporation, business, 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 instrumentality, business, and any other legal business or commercial business entities. Everything on here is business, except for people think that this isn't business, but it actually is. I'm pretty positive we can dig down that rabbit hole and find out that this is actually business also. So person in the entire UCC means business, a business. Basically, it's a legal or commercial entity. That's it. Any other legal or commercial entity. That's what all of it is. That's what a person is in the entire system. Okay. U.S. citizen. This term is generally a legal status under federal law, not specifically defined under the UCC. Yeah, it is. U.S. citizen. Maybe it's slightly different title than that, but we can find that later. Trade or business, not typically defined in the UCC. This term is more relevant in tax law. That may be true, actually. That might be true. Tax, not defined in UCC, as it primarily deals with commercial, not tax law. So if that's true, may or may not be, but if that's true, then we will study tax in a different community group. Non-resident alien, like U.S. citizen, this term is related to immigration and tax status and not defined in the UCC. Maybe. We'll look maybe in that one too. Corporation, incorporated, and unincorporated. UCC generally recognizes these entities in terms of their ability to engage in transactions, but does not specifically define these terms. We'll have to verify all this, I guess. But anyways, foreign or domestic, often used to distinguish between entities or transactions within the U.S. and other outside, but specific definitions can depend on context. Okay. Location of the debtor, crucial to determine jurisdiction and the applicability of law, defined specifically in contexts like Article 9 for secured transactions. Yeah, they didn't list anything. So, again, there's this one too. Location of the United States, not typically defined. context specific understanding is necessary. Yeah, there's stuff in this one too, but we'll have to dig deep later. To efficiently compile all relevant definitions and detailed explanations, you typically consult both the UCC directly and any official commentaries available for deeper insight. That's what we're doing, I guess. For legal precision and teaching purposes, it would be useful to refer directly to the specific articles. Yeah, we're going to do that. And sections of the UCC that address these terms, bearing in mind that some terms might not be defined within the UCC itself, but understood through common legal usage. Yeah, we'll have to verify those things later too. Anyways, that's that. Didn't know if that would be useful for anybody, just for fun. And yeah, so we'll get this posted in, I think, this one right here. And yeah, all the best. Much love, and see you next time. Or feel free to comment and ask your questions and start new posts. And yeah, let's get this going. Much love.